connecting my mic now.
Here we go. Let's just put the microphone on. Move out the way, move out the way, move out the way. Move out the way. Tommy, Tom, come. Hey. Tommy, get out the way, man. So Tommy, can you tell us what's just happened inside of the court?
We've heard the police's cross-examination where it turned out that they took 34 seconds to determine I was going to be detained under the Terrorism Act. 34 seconds, where they're meant to take time to question you at things. They didn't question me, they just saw my face and automatically made the decision they were going to detain me. That's what's come out under the officer's evidence. What also come out is his reasoning for detaining me was I bought my ticket at the dock and I was driving a friend's car.
Okay.
And then questioned one of the reasons, and it was suspicious I was driving to the south of Spain. Now, they took 40 minutes to question partner agencies. Nothing come back suspicious against me. Nothing that backed up I should be detained. When questioned, did he check my previous travel? I leave this country every other week. I don't live in the UK. I live in the south of Spain. So that would have determined that nothing I was doing was suspicious. But the police officer had to have a break. He looked like he was about to faint because it came out that he absolutely did not follow his protocol, did not follow the law. This is a total abuse of the legal system. It's an attack against me based on my political view, nothing else. There was no suspicion of terrorism, no suspicion of a crime, simply the fact that I was Tommy Robinson. And I'm now in court for being Tommy Robinson, not for being a terrorist.
Where are we in regards to the trial? So you've had the cross...
I think there's another police officer now to be cross-examined, I believe. I believe there's another officer, and then I think we're there. So I'm hoping that this is done this afternoon.
So potentially it's done this afternoon. So you're going for lunch now. What time will you be back in court?
Starts back at 2. I'll be back at 10 to 2. But anyone listening to that, anyone who's sat, if anyone's been, I know Ezra's travelled over from Canada doing some brilliant live tweeting, and I'm very grateful for him doing that. It's an absolute farce. The entire case is a farce. How the hell I'm here? If it wasn't for Elon Musk, I'd have another massive bill. The only terrorism that's being committed is financial terrorism, and it's waged against me. Because every one of these cases costs tens or 20 or 30 or 50 or even £100,000, yeah? And it shouldn't be happening, it shouldn't be allowed to happen. This is the second time now in 7 months on my last case where it was proven that the police acted unlawfully, detained me unlawfully, arrested me unlawfully, without powers to do so, and give me unlawful bail conditions. That's what happened here last time I was in this court. I hope the same happens again today. But if it does happen today, what the fuck is going to be done about it? Because it's an absolute liberty that this continues to happen. For the last 15 years, I haven't had a peaceful moment where I haven't faced these prosecutions. It's not right, yeah?
I hear you, Tom. Enjoy your lunch and I'll see you when you come back.
Good to see you. I admire you, bro.
I appreciate it.
I admire you. Yeah.
Tommy! Tommy! Get over there!
Come here. Yeah.